You're always eating. You never stop eating.
Hey, I stop eating.
Yeah, if you're sleeping or if you're shooting a guy.
Chris, we're on an airplane, all right? Fucking shooting a guy. Shut the fuck up.
Don't pull rank on me. I've killed people in countries you can't even spell.
Name one country you killed someone in that I can't spell.
Czechoslovakia.
You never killed anyone in Czechoslovakia. You just know I can't spell it. All right, listen up. Can we just keep a little bit of a low profile while we're here? Can we just have a nice time?
So how's Easter fucking Island, Big Shot?
Great, Marge. They get all these big stone heads here. They remind me of you, actually, except they're quiet.
Wow. Well, first big heads.
Not say anything or do anything that'll reveal anything that we don't want revealed.
Thanks for bringing me. Girls, how do you like your new president?
What'd I say about before, Chris?
Everybody likes him.
Not everybody. That wouldn't be true.
And who the fuck are you? The CIA?
We are the CIA. We're totally the CIA.
We're not the CIA.
Your country's gonna get fucked.
Your country's gonna be absolutely fine. Hello.
Where's Big Mouth?
He's next door.
We hear he's been acting problematic again.
Problematic?
No, he's acting the same exact pain in the ass he's always acting.
Yo, hungry?
Remember, he ain't leaving the fucking island, Lee.
What's that, a threat?
You can take it any way you fucking want.
Well, how about you take it and you shove it up your flabby little ass? How about that?
Who was that? Your mom? Do you ever get paranoid you're not being paranoid enough? Because I think we're being followed.
Is that why you shot up a car last night?
Did someone say I shot up a car last night?
You said you just drove around.
I drove around and I shot up a car. What are we, hippies now?